Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch runs the latest OS, that you have your physical card and billing ZIP, and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Once done, unlock your device and open Wallet. This is where you add cards. Tap the plus icon and follow on-screen prompts to capture the card or enter numbers manually. Do this now so the setup flow can verify your identity with the bank and complete device-level security checks. You now add and verify the card. Position the card in the camera frame or type details manually, including expiration and CVV, because accuracy prevents later declines. Once you submit, accept the issuing bank's terms and pick a default card for quick payments. Next, the bank will verify you. Expect an SMS code, email link, or a push notification to your bank app. Enter the verification code or approve the request. This step links the tokenized card to your device for secure transactions. You finish by enabling Apple Pay features and testing a payment. Go to Settings to allow Apple Pay in apps and Safari if you want web purchases. Then try a small contactless purchase or an in-app transaction to confirm. Make sure NFC is active on Apple Watch or iPhone and present the device near the terminal until it beeps. If something goes wrong, reopen Wallet, confirm the card's active status, check your network and region settings, and contact the bank if verification failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.